If you drive a lifted truck, you'll need more than just an average floor jack. Indeed, you'll not only need a jack with a high enough lifting range to get your truck off the ground, but you'll also need it to be strong and sturdy enough to handle the weight. There are many products available to choose floor jacks, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best floor jacks from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Submittable 543 Trail Jack. The ultimate in affordable and adaptable lifting power, this trail jack from Submittable is tough and ready for the craziest adventures. Worth mentioning though, it's a mechanical jack, so it does take a bit of elbow grease on heavy vehicles. However, it can do one thing no other jack can do: lifting at various angles, even upside down. You can even use it with a winch like a come-along to help rescue your truck from precarious situations. Interestingly, the Submittable Trail Jack is the most affordable product on this list, but it's far from inferior. Notably, the all-steel construction and oversized footpad make it one of the safest bumper jack-style designs out there. Moreover, at only 37 pounds, you can easily add it to your off-road gear or buy brackets to secure the trail jack to your bumper, hood, or inside the bed. What we like about it: most versatile jack out there. Highest lift range on this list. Can be used to recover vehicles. Lightweight. Doubles as a winch. What we don't like about it: not the most user-friendly model. Number 2. ARB Hydraulic Long Travel Recovery Jack. With the ARB model, we get to the first jack explicitly designed for very specific off-road use. Even though you can still use it as a service jack, we've got much better options for that in this list that are simpler to operate and much safer. But when it comes to really sticky situations far away from civilization, there is hardly a better design than this one. Mechanical recovery jacks are arguably the most dangerous type of jacks to use, with plenty of videos online proving this statement, such as hands getting caught between the body and the handle or people getting struck by the handles. Keeping this in mind, ARB's engineering team came up with a solution and developed an alternative significantly minimizing safety hazards, designing possibly the best hydraulic recovery jack I've seen. What we like about it: safer than mechanical alternatives. Lightweight. Versatile. Compact. Extremely high lift. What we don't like about it: expensive. Number 3. ProEagle Kratos 3 Off-Road Floor Jack. Have you ever tried to use a floor jack in the dirt? If yes, you probably know it takes a little ingenuity to get it under the truck. Luckily, the ProEagle Kratos 3 Off-Road Floor Jack is here to save the day. The massive, oversized composite wheels make it easy to get the Kratos 3 through sand and mud, right to where you need it. The wheels also offer greater stability on soft terrain, helping to lift your truck, no matter the surface it's on. Furthermore, the heavy-duty aluminum chassis has a full-length steel skid plate underneath to prevent damage to the piston when the jack is in the sand. And of course, while this design was obviously intended for trail use, it's fairly easy to see how convenient those big wheels would be in a driveway too. What we like about it: easy to use. Huge composite wheels. Sealed ball bearings. Impressive lifting range. High lifting capacity. Relatively lightweight. Skid plate included. What we don't like about it: could be more compact. Number 4. Safeguard 2-ton low-profile floor jack. Floor jacks are the safest and easiest models to use on the market. And despite not being the most mobile option, if you are a beginner mechanic or need a car jack in case of emergency, it's by far the most convenient type. And yes, I can already hear you here: what does a low-profile jack even have to do with lifted trucks? Interestingly, while it's true that most low-profile floor jacks usually have a limited lifting range, Safeguard's model actually shines in that respect. What we like about it: easy and safe to use. Wide lifting range. Low-profile design makes it easy to store in your truck. Safety bypass valve. High-quality wheels. Respectable lifting capacity. Powder-coated. What we don't like about it: not the best for off-road use. Quite heavy. Number 5. Hein Werner 4-ton service jack. This model is a professional-level service jack that you'll see in a lot of truck shops, and for good reasons. The distinctive blue paint and extended chassis are instantly recognizable as one of the best pro truck jacks out there. However, Hein Werner's jack has one big downside: it's the second most expensive floor jack on this list. But when it comes to jacks that big, cheaping out is never a good idea anyway. What we like about it: high quality construction, respectable lifting range, sealed hydraulic system for durability, long chassis. What we don't like about it: expensive. At £219, it won't go that far from your garage. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.